Hi my loves, in today's video I'm showing you an all-natural remedy to remove pimples, breakouts, blemishes, acne, scarring, or just irritated skin issues that we want to fix quickly, so let's get started. And as always, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Tuesday and Friday, and check my Glowing Goddess ebook linked below for a ton more hacks. Now let's get started. So the first all-natural ingredient for this home remedy that you'll be needing is a lemon. Lemons are actually filled with AHAs and BHAs, which naturally remove dead skin cells. They also help with clearing any acne, pimples, blemishes, blackheads, discoloration, which is amazing for any type of skin issues, and it's a natural antibacterial. Lemon juice is also a great alternative to a toner since it has astringent qualities because of the high acid and high pH levels, which can actually help decrease that inflammation, redness, and irritation you get from any breakout. So the second all-natural ingredient you'll be needing is some honey. The best type is raw honey. Make sure it is labeled natural, raw, unprocessed. Manuka honey is actually amazing if you can get your hands on it, but mine is just raw natural honey, which works amazing. And honey actually has components that can help soothe redness and irritation from skin. It has peptides, antioxidants, vitamin B, fatty acids, amino acids, and it's also a great natural antibacterial because of its high glyceronic acid, which is very similar to benzoyl peroxide. And I really hope I'm pronouncing this right, but it does the job. So the first thing you'll be needing to do to make this all-natural acne, blemish, scar treatment is to cut up the lemon. I like to just cut it in 4s, and you will then see I go ahead and cut it once more because you're only going to need about a wedge of the lemon juice depending how bad your area is, and this surprisingly makes a good amount, but if you need more you can always just repeat these steps. So once you have a wedge like this, you're just going to want to go ahead and squeeze it into a very small bowl because this is what we're going to be using to make our treatment. And make sure you get the entire lemon juice out. You don't want anything to be left behind. Also, if you hear me say this right now, comment 3-minute mark in the comment section so I can show you so much love and see who my true subscribers are. Now, once you have the lemon juice, which is going to be so amazing for brightening our skin, healing our skin, clearing up the acne, blemishes, and working as an antiseptic, it is now time to add the perfect counterpart, which is honey. And I'll link the type I use down below. They sell a lot of really good raw natural ones on Amazon, and I have made this so many times that I just eyeball it, but you guys can imagine it is equal parts honey. If you guys have much more, let's say like whiteheads, I recommend using a little less honey, but when you do equal parts, it is the perfect mixture for anyone dealing with the breakouts, blemishes, acne, or if you just want to brighten up your scars. I'll also leave some of my favorite let's say serums and things like that that you can buy from the store down below too. So then you want to go ahead and mix this really well. You want the lemon juice and the honey to really combine so we can use this as a wonderful spot treatment. Now, I like to use this right away just to make sure it remains as strong as possible, and I like to apply this with Q-tips because I have very specific problem areas right now, because I notice when I wear these masks, certain ones make me break out so badly. Even though it's always worth wearing the mask, you just gotta treat your skin after. I'm just going to apply it with a Q-tip. You can apply it with a face mask brush and just apply it to any area that is irritated or breaking out. I like to literally apply 4 to 5 layers, as you guys can see, because I feel like my skin absorbs it so well and I notice such a difference when I do this. I also like to apply it on any pimples or little spot breakouts that I have, and oh my gosh, you guys, you have to leave it on your skin as long as possible and you will notice the best results. I cannot wait to see how this works for you in the comment section. Please let me know your experience because I am so excited for you to try it. And thumbs up the video if you made it this far and comment I finished. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Anita Samantha, and all of my links will be down below. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you every Tuesday and Friday. Mwah!